Welcome to the 10-minute meditation for attracting love and opening your heart. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes if you feel safe and allow your body to fully relax. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment and exhale fully through your mouth with a gentle sigh of relief. Feel your shoulders release, your chest softening, your mind settling. Breathe in deeply again, and then exhale fully one more time, letting go of tension and worry. With each breath, allow yourself to become more present, more calm, and more open. Now, bring your attention to your heart center. That's right under your sternum. It's the space in the middle of your chest. Imagine a warm, glowing light radiating from your heart, expanding with every inhale and exhale. This light represents love, both the love you already feel for yourself and the love you are ready to give and receive. Gently repeat these I am affirmations in your mind or aloud, feeling each phrase resonate deeply in your heart while you focus on that area. I am worthy of love and deep connection. I am worthy of love and deep connection. I am open to giving and receiving love freely. I am open to giving and receiving love freely. I am attracting a partner who honors and cherishes me. I am attracting a partner who honors and cherishes me. I am whole, complete, and magnetic to love. I am whole, complete, and magnetic to love. I am patient, trusting, and open to the right person entering my life. I am patient, trusting, and open to the right person entering my life. I am aligned with love, joy, and emotional abundance. I am aligned with love, joy, and emotional abundance. As you repeat these affirmations, visualize yourself surrounded by love and warmth. Picture an equal, loving partner walking into your life. Someone who compliments you, someone who values you, and even someone who shares your dreams. Focus now on your heart energy as it continues to expand. With each inhale, draw in love. I want you to draw in the love, draw in compassion, and draw in positivity. With each exhale, release fear. I want you to release all doubt and release your past pains. Feel your heart opening wider with every breath, radiating light and warmth outwards, attracting the love you deserve. Take a moment to feel gratitude for the love you already have in your life. That's from friends, family, self-love, and for the love that is on its way to you. Breathe in gratitude and exhale peace and openness. Now, let's set a personal intention for love. Silently or aloud, state what you desire in a partner and in your relationship. Picture this intention clearly in your mind as if it is already happening. Let it settle deeply into your heart, anchoring this vision as a daily guide for your thoughts and actions. Now, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you. Notice your hands and feet. Wiggle your fingers and your toes softly. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, begin to bring your attention back to the room around you. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of love, worthiness, and openness with you. Now, if you would just take note of what you pictured, the type of things that you would do with your equal, your partner, when he or she enters into your life, how you'd go to the grocery store together, walk through the park together, walk on the beach together, laying on the couch, watching a show, going out to dinner. Picture those things and take note, write them down in detail on how you'd like those to happen. And then, when you come back to this meditation, I want you to visualize the same thing so that there's repetition and we're placing this into the subconscious mind over and over, so then it'll have no choice but to manifest. For the best results, repeat this meditation every day for 21 days. This consistent practice will help you train your mind, embed these empowering beliefs, and attract the love you are ready to receive. Thank you, and congratulations for taking a step to your brighter future. Bye now.